What's up, you guys, and welcome back. We are Monday morning here, and I have been feeling festive. I don't know what it is. I think it's just the combination of like Sydney starting school, us going to Disney soon. I've been preoccupied and have not been on the fall vibes like train of thought. Usually by mid-September I am so excited for all the fall things, and I just haven't been there, but I am today. So I don't have a ton of fall decorations, but I'm gonna just put out whatever I have. I am gonna make some pumpkin chocolate chip cookies later. Just ordered myself the pumpkin cold brew from Starbucks to get myself in the mood, and yeah, hopefully just have a fall vibes video. No idea what's for dinner tonight. Maybe I will make something fall-ish. I have no idea. I do need to pop over to the grocery store as well to get some produce and chicken. Fall vibes activated. Oh, it's sweet. When you haven't had it for a long time, you don't realize how sweet it is.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow.
Okay, truthfully, not a very exciting haul, so I put a couple of things away already, but I did get some fall inspired things that I hope are delicious that I'm going to share with you. I got pumpkin spice bagels. Let me know if these are your jam. I remember posting about these a couple of years ago and people were like, too far, pumpkin's gone too far, because pumpkins and everything, but I actually really like those. So pumpkin spice bagels. I really wanted to try the pumpkin butter, but they didn't have it. They had the Maple Me Crazy, and I thought maple butter on pumpkin spice bagels sounded incredible. So there goes my healthy eating. We have some pumpkin cinnamon rolls. I just like to have these like on hand for like a lazy maybe Sunday breakfast or something special for Sydney. So that's like the fall vibes. I did get some leeks. I might be doing like a potato leek soup or something with those. We have some peaches, some green bananas. We are leaving in a few days, so I didn't want to grab too many things that would, you know, expire when we leave. We have onion, sweet potatoes. This is gonna live in the fridge for until, you know, I need it. Spinach and ricotta ravioli. We have some cauliflower. I think I'm gonna do like a buffalo cauliflower, you know, like that appetizer. I've made it a long time ago on my channel, or the barbecue one. I don't know, I haven't decided which one I want to do, but we're gonna do something with cauliflower. And then I have whipped cream because I want to start making some fall coffees and whatnot. I have crescent rolls. That's gonna just be in the fridge to have like as a backup for when I want to do something with that. And then what do we have? We needed like mustard, canned things. I decided to get, you'll see in probably my Disney packing video, I decided to get some of these pouches, like the morning oats and yogurt pouches for Sydney, since she might not be able to wait until 9 if we get to the parks and have breakfast there. Some oats, and then I just got like, you know, bread, pizza sauce, yogurt for Sydney, ham and cheese, and that I'm gonna put away real quick. Oh, some cereals too for like travel and snack breaks. So I'm gonna quickly put this away and then go dig out whatever I have for fall decor. This was actually part of my fall decor last year, and it's just stayed out all year. I'm actually gonna try this right now and have sort of a brunch. I didn't come home after I dropped Sydney off, and I've been out for a couple hours, so I'm starving. I haven't had breakfast yet. So I am gonna try a pumpkin spice bagel with maple butter. Oh, that bite was better. That's really good. Now I really want to try the pumpkin one. If you like, it's not even overly maple. It's sweet. It's like a sweet butter, and you can totally make your own. That's some good stuff right there. So if you've been watching my channel for a little bit now, I'm sure you have seen me make these a million times because they're some of my favorite. I actually have my exact recipe included in my fall cookbook, which I will have linked down below. You can also find recipes all over Pinterest and just different variations of them. They're soft pumpkin spice. You can add nuts to them if you like. I add chocolate chips, and they're just like the softest muffin cross of, they're just amazing. Okay.
In your arms of gold, it's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone.
I went to go decorate and go pull out all my fall decorations, and this is all I have, you guys. A few pumpkins, a vase, and then the hand soap. This is pretty bad. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and buy a couple of things so that I'm not just decorating by throwing a pumpkin on a shelf. I realized I have no fall decorations. I have like 5 pumpkins and that's it. I think I got rid of all the stuff that I didn't use last year or didn't like or wasn't my taste anymore. So this is gonna be a very light fall kind of decorate with me, I guess. First thing first, you guys, I got this amazing vase from Target. They have this one and then they have like a shorter one as well. This is only $25 and it is like a super heavy, high quality ceramic vase. Like I can't believe it was only 25 considering I bought like a little small fake plant thing that was 15. So anyway, amazing deal. I will have it linked down below, or a couple of things linked down below if I can find them. But I want to swap out this vase. I'm going to keep the pampas grass, just add a couple touches of fall throughout the house. And then I did buy some pumpkins today and I have some mums, so we'll decorate the front door as well.
You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. When I'm with you. Can't get enough of this, being with you is like never ending sunshine.
I'm so bad at this decorating thing. I don't know if I like it because I like everything light and bright. And the other one was kind of, you know, light. This one's dark. So I don't know. And plus the opening is big. Is that, it's fine. I guess it's fine. And I just stuck these beads. These are from Hobby Lobby. I've had these forever. I just stuck them here. I moved the bowl over to the center, but honestly having keys and stuff in it drives me nuts, but it has to serve a purpose. And then I stuck this little pumpkin. I think I got this 2 years ago, or I don't know, last year. It's a Target pumpkin on these books that I was very kindly gifted did. I can't remember the name of her shop, but if you are watching this, definitely leave a comment down below so that we know, because I do get questions on those. I don't know though if I like the bowl in the center or over the side like that. I kind of like it. I don't know. I think I kind of like it like that. That way I can just grab my keys, go out the door. Yeah, I think that's how it's gonna live. I bought some pumpkins this morning from a local farm, so I'm gonna go grab those pumpkins and then kind of like spruce up the front door a little bit. I have right now just ferns and whatnot, and I want to replace the ferns with mums and pumpkins. Although I wasn't really in the biggest fall decorating spirit, or haven't been feeling like fall lately, once I actually decorated my front door, it made me really come to life and want to embrace all of the fall things. I think I just needed a pop of fall in like mums and color scheme, even though you guys, I know this is the most like neutral, non-fall decorating video. I don't know. I think I was just being really indecisive this year. All of the decorations I saw in the store like might have been cute, but I just didn't know how they would go in my house, and I'm really not good at this decorating thing. But I do really enjoy the way that my front door turned out. So I wanted to share with you a very easy way to decorate, just obviously with some flowers and pumpkins. That little black and white mat was from Target last year. I believe they have some on like Amazon. I'll see if they have it at Target again. I think it was like $11 last year when I bought it. So I'll try to link it down below, whatever I can find.
Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. You got your high heels on, and I'm wearing my worn out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to her.
So this is what it looks like right now. Pretty simple and plain. I did have a mat from Etsy a while ago that said, "Hey there, pumpkin," but it faded. And I've also had my fall wreath on since last fall. I forgot to take it off and just never bothered. So I went ahead and decorated. I'm gonna put decorating in quotes. I just added a couple of things to my coffee table. I haven't had anything on my coffee table as far as decor goes in so long. Actually, ever since I got this one about a year ago. So I was just cleaning off the coffee table and then adding my coasters, the brown vase that I had from last year. I believe that was from Target as well. They have similar ones again this year. And then the little floral arrangement was also from Target.
You came along, couldn't look away. Somehow you turned my life completely upside down. And since you've been gone, there's no peace of mind. A foolish heart and healing thought I would be fine. No matter where.
And of course, I had to break out my Halloween mugs. These are my favorite, and I did get them from Etsy as well. They have so many cute, themey mugs, and I always keep them in my like seasonal decor. So I had found those and put them in the cupboards. And then for dinner tonight, I decided to do something with rosemary. Once it starts getting that cooler, crisper weather, at least here in Maine, I start to crave things with rosemary and like sweet potatoes and just that more earthy kind of herb flavor. So I wanted to make a skillet meal with sweet potatoes, rosemary, and chicken, and then we had broccoli for vegetable. But it was just going to be a really simple skillet meal that I will walk you through. So easy. It ended up being pretty delicious, and I was going to say healthy, but there's a lot of butter. Lighter, I should say. It didn't feel so heavy as like a pasta dish or Alfredo, if that makes sense. So first things first, I am cutting up a sweet potato into thicker rounds. I got this idea from the kitchen, a recipe I saw with them doing like white or Yukon gold potatoes a really long time ago, and I decided to do something similar with sweet potatoes. And then of course cleaning up my chicken and having a few sprigs of rosemary. So I have on the stove a frying pan with oil because I have a glass top, and I know some people cook on their glass top with their cast iron skillet, but I am paranoid that it's going to scratch or break it, so I just don't, and I just use a frying pan, and I heated up the oven with my cast iron skillet in it with butter as well. Anyway, so I am just browning off the chicken with salt and pepper and some oregano for seasoning, making sure you're always seasoning your chicken and just browning it on both sides until it's almost cooked through, if not all the way cooked through. Just don't cook it for long, just a few minutes.
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry.
Once the chicken was cooked almost through, I ended up saving it on a side plate, leaving all of the oil and seasonings in the frying pan, and added the sweet potatoes right to that, as well as some cubed up butter and garlic as well.
All the things you said just to hurt me, our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake.
I just wanted to make a side note. I wanted to try this Cabernet because my friend was recommending it. She said it was awesome, and I truly really enjoyed it. It's called Bread and Butter is the brand, and their Cabernet is what I was drinking just a few ounces of this evening. So I went ahead and cooked the potatoes on each side for a few minutes until they browned and kind of got softened through, and then I added the chicken that was on reserve to my skillet with some butter, the heated skillet that was in the oven, and then I also added, of course, the sweet potatoes and then the juice that was in the frying pan. I added it over the chicken and over the sweet potatoes. Again, that's all just flavor, all flavor from the chicken and the sweet potatoes and the herbs that we used. I went ahead and added just a tiny bit more garlic over top, and then the juice of a half a lemon. This lemon was like the juiciest, largest lemon ever, so kind of went overboard, but that's okay. If I had garlic cloves on hand, I would have added that to the skillet as well instead of like the minced garlic, because I like the way, you know, roasted garlic is in the skillet, like whole cloves. Anyway, I'm blabbering. A couple of cubes of butter over top of the potatoes, as well as 3 sprigs of rosemary. So when that was in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, I went ahead and kind of basted everything with the juices and just made sure everything was nice and coated halfway through. All right, you guys, I am gonna go ahead and finish dinner, drink my ounce or so of wine, and have a good evening with my little Peanut, who obviously is watching TV. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.